children. आमे गत क्लास रे आट दी हाई स्कूल में महात्मा गांधी विषय पढ़ी तमें मैंने निश्चित भाव में पढ़ी फास्ट पैराग्राफ बा पूरा चैप्टरटा भी कहीं पढ़ी ताले बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कथा अच्छी महात्मा गांधी विषय रे। तबे आज आम सेकेंड पैराग्राफ आउ थर्ड पैराग्राफ पढ़ा आउ टिके अधिक जिनस जाना महात्मा गांधी विषय आउ कौन कौन से तांकर एक्सपीरियंस वर्णना कर। अच्छा तो लुक एट योर बुक्स। My own recollection is that I did not have any high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarship, but I very jealously guarded my character. The least blemish drew tears from my eyes. When I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit a rebuke, it was unbearable for me. I remember having once received corporal punishment. I did not so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was in the first or second standard. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the seventh standard. Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for that aloofness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. So now, go through the paragraph and find out the words which seem difficult for you. Recollection. Remember or memories. Blemish. The character of Gandhiji was free from blemish. That means black spot, moral defect. It was as clear, as pure as white paper. Then rebuke, scold. Corporal punishment, physical punishment or punishment by beating. Sometimes children get physical punishment for their mistake, but that is not good. Desert, cause, piteously, very sad, sorrowfully. Any more words? Shyness, nervous, notion, idea. Curriculum. This year our curriculum for 10th class has changed. That means syllabus, courses of studies. So now in this paragraph we came to know Mahatma Gandhi is recollecting his experience at high school. He is remembering and he has described it in his autobiography. So he is telling that तांकर हाई स्कूल समय से केमिति पनिशमेंट थरे पाई थिले फिजिकल पनिशमेंट किंतु व्हेन ही वाज in lower class he got physical punishment and that gave him a sorrowful situation. He was very much depressed. Do you know, when a good student gets punishment, he weeps, he cries bitterly, and he takes oath at that time. He promises not to repeat that thing again in his lifetime, in his career. So that also happened in Gandhiji's case. So that was the first and last time he got corporal punishment or physical punishment in his school career. And he was also taking care of his character, conduct. He was having a very good character, free from black spots or blemish. बेदाग character तांकर थिला, टिके भी ताधरे spot नथिला, केही कहिबाकू नथिला जे तांकर character के जाने बखाणीबाकू नथिला. So his character was very pure and bright. And he has also described about his headmaster when he was at high school. His headmaster was Doraji Idulji Jimmy, and he was very popular among the students, and people were also fearing him because he was a strict disciplinarian. So he was a strict disciplinarian. That means he was making laws and convincing others or making others to obey it. So all the students as well as his colleagues, his subordinates, they were obeying the rules and regulations made by the headmaster. So he was a strict disciplinarian. He was a hard taskmaster, and he was also lover of sports. And he was a man of method and a good teacher also. A lover of sports, a good teacher, a man of method. So many good characteristics were with the headmaster. And the most important thing, he made cricket and gymnastics compulsory for upper class students, which was not the liking subject of Gandhiji. So this is about the headmaster Doraji Idulji Jimmy. And what was the experience or habit of Mahatma Gandhi? He used to win prizes and scholarships. As he was a meritorious student, he used to get, and regularly or continuously he was getting prizes and scholarships. He was very careful of his character. A little blemish, a little thing about his misconduct was giving him much pain. So he was guarding his character very carefully. And he disliked cricket and gymnastics. Why? He had an idea that cricket and gymnastics had nothing to do with education. That means our guardian also, our parents, sometimes they tell, you need not participate in sports and games or NCC. That is nothing to do with education. Only you read and read. But that is not the right idea. So Gandhiji had the false idea also that cricket and gymnastics had nothing to do with education. But in future, in his latter stage, he realized the physical education is as important as the mental education or mental training and book education or education through books. So his idea, his wrong idea was overcome in his future life. And he was remaining aloof because he was very shy. In lower classes, he did not participate in cricket and gymnastics. So in higher classes, he disliked it. So he remained silent, he remained aloof, he could not participate, he could not played with other students, so always he was remaining shy. So this is about Mahatma Gandhi and his headmaster, which is described in this paragraph. Is it understood? Okay. Then you will go through it at home and you will find as many questions as possible. Thank you all.